Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the working interview and other available vacancies for today. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new updates with notification. Kindly press like button to motivate me for regular videos. Let's see the working interview conducting on today. Timing 9 am to 12 pm. Location at Shoba 1 112 Russell Court Street, Dubai. Vacancies for MEP, BIM Modular, Plumbing Engineer, HVAC Engineer, Junior Maintenance Engineer. Next working interview conducting on today at Ainal College School, Falajasa Alain. Timing 10 am to 4 pm. Vacancies are English and Arabic teacher, homeroom teachers only. And the working interview conducting on 12th May in the same school. Timing 10 am to 4 pm. Vacancies are Science, Maths and Islamic Studies teachers only. The same school, there was a working interview on 18th May, timing 10 am to 4 pm for the vacancies of Physical Education, Art, Music and ICT teachers only. The next day, 19th May, there is a vacancy for the teachers assistants, social workers, hall supervisors, activities coordinators, cleaners, drivers and bus assistants. Next working interview at EMT Electromechanical Works on 11th and 12th May at 1 pm for the vacancies of electrical sergeant, plumbing sergeant, electrical technician, plumbing technician, duct fabricator and technicians. Interview location is at EMT Labor Camp, Sonapur, Dubai. Send your resume by email recruitmenthr@emtdubai.ae. You can contact our camp boss Sultan 056 990 6626, Farhan 054 369 5527, Mohin 056 9927 367, 052 5388 736. Today's other working interviews are at Anaya. You can see the details at May 5th uploaded video, and the Alrise Enterprises, you can see more details is on May 6th uploaded video. Next vacancy is at LM Exchange. The vacancy for Marketing Executive, Customer Service Executive and Remittance Executive. Send your resume by email careers@lm-exchange.com. Next vacancy is at Dar Al Yarmouk Trading, Dubai. Vacancies are Accountant, Social Media Manager, Data Entry Officer, Public Relation Officer, Operations Assistant for Maintenance, Customer Service Representative, Cashier, Driver, Sales Lady, Visual Merchandiser and General Helper. Send your resumes to careers@daralyarmouk.com. Next vacancy is at Safeco Electromechanical, Dubai. Vacancies are Document Controller, Electrical Foreman and Plumbing Foreman. Send your resume by email jobs@safecomep.com. Next vacancy is at Al Maraf Private School, Dubai. Vacancies are Homeroom Teachers, Science Teacher, French Teacher, PE Teacher, Moral Education Teacher and English Teachers. Send your resume by email hribrahim440@yahoo.com. Next vacancy is at Crown Private School, Ajman. Vacancies are Native English Teacher, KG and Primary Homeroom Teachers, Arabic A Teacher, Islamic B Teacher, Science Teacher, Physical Education Teacher, School Nurse, Special Education Teacher and Music Teacher. Send your resume by email careers@cpuschool.uk. Next vacancy is at Al Ghurair Facility Management, Dubai. Vacancies are Senior AC Technician for Chiller and Control, AC Technicians, General Helpers, Senior Electrician, Mason and Plumber. Send your resume by email info@alghurairfm.com. Next vacancy is at Frontline International Private School. Vacancies are English Teacher, Islamic Teacher for Arab Female, KG Teacher, Max Teacher, Primary Teacher or Homeroom Teacher, English Teacher, Science Teacher, Chemistry, Physics, Biology, SEN Coordinator. Send your resume by email careers@frontlineschool.ae. Next vacancy is at SafeLink Tech. Vacancy for Forklift Operator. Send your resume by email sales@safelinktech.com. You can send it by WhatsApp 054 4511878. Next vacancy is at Belvedere British School. Vacancies are primary class teacher, native English speakers, secondary English teachers, secondary French teachers, music teacher, secondary geography teacher, secondary history teacher, secondary psychology teacher, and PE teacher. Send your resume by email bbs.hr@belvederebritishschool.com. Next vacancy is at Seha Al Noor Clinic and Pharmacy. Vacancies are general practitioner, general dentist, nurse, male pharmacist, and front office executive. Send your resume by email hr@brightlifeclinics.com. Next vacancy is at staff required in Al Nada. Vacancies are driver, maths teacher, English teacher, accountant, bus conductor, science teacher, teacher assistant, caretaker, cleaner, receptionist, history teacher, catering staff, cafeteria staff, bus attendant. Send your resume by email careersuajob1@gmail.com. You can contact 052 325 0064. Next vacancy is at Blue Tech Marine Services LLC. Vacancies are marine automation engineer, marine electrician, marine HVAC technicians, marine mechanical fitters, marine assistant technician for electrical and mechanical. Send your resume by email hr@bluebirdshipping.com. Next vacancy is at Al Madina Hypermarket, Sharjah. Vacancies are inventory associates and storekeeper. Send your resume by email hiring@almadinagroupUAE.com. Next vacancy is at Kadamat Facilities Management LLC, Dubai. Vacancy for project engineer. Send your resume by email jobs@kadamat.ae. Next vacancy is at Falcon GT Motors Free Zone Company, Dubai. Vacancy for office boy. Send your resume by email mdfawazap@gmail.com. Send your resume by WhatsApp 052 318 3686. Next vacancy is at Afaq Jobs, Dubai. Vacancy for sales associate. Salary will be 4,000 dirham. Send your resume by email info@afaqjob.com. You can contact 052 394 1520. Next vacancy is at Industrial Area, Sharjah. Vacancy for administrative assistant. Salary will be 3,500 dirham to 4,000 dirhams. Send your resume by email hr@afaqjob.com. You can contact 052 394 1520. Next vacancy is for civil engineer and driver or supervisor in logistics. Send your resume by email creativeshapes24@gmail.com. By WhatsApp 058 9962 979. Next vacancy is for full stack application developer, Dubai. Send your resume by email amit.rastogi@systex.com. Thanks for watching my channel Jobs in UAE. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get daily UAE job vacancies and press like button to motivate